Hello everyone, hello the Blues, welcome back to Austin Football Talk channel. Yes, I am back once again. Today is match day. The EPL is back in action once again. The Premier League is back in action today after Champions League football in the middle of the week, in the middle of week. So today action resume. Premier League is back. Other league around the world is back also. So let's see how it goes tonight. Tonight the big game is between Manchester United and the Chelsea. So this is a brand new video, although this video come very late, but I have to do what I have to do. In the couple of hours ahead of us, the match is going to kick off. Later late in the night is going to be the last match day of the today Saturday Premier League action. Now the other action is on between Liverpool and the Everton. I think Liverpool is winning by 2 goals to 1. At this moment. So the second half are still going on. So let's see what happened at the end of the match, and the other Premier League action will be on the way. At this moment, other league action will be on the way. So let's see how it goes. But in this brand new video, let us talk about tonight match between the London team and Manchester team, between Chelsea and Manchester United Football Club. Tonight is going to be another cracker. Well, some people, I see some people on the internet, both in the X, everybody, some of people are saying it's going to be a walkover match for Chelsea regarding the kind of the form Manchester United it is. But for me, football is not working like that. Football is not good like that. Yes, we all know that Manchester United have, they have some issue, in the team. It's something that they have some problem in the team, which is not only in the field but also outside the field, including the ball and how things are going on in Manchester United. Things are not really go well. Well, that is football for you. Sometimes that is how it goes. I remember when Chelsea are also in that situation. Now we are back in. We are back a little bit. It's not that we are there, but we are still managing to come back for where we belong to. So at least Chelsea are back in the Champions League, in this season, and also I hope they are going to be among the competitor, those that will compete for Premier League this season. So that's why I say today match is very important for Chelsea. No matter what happened, what I need is 3 points. 3 points. We need to start getting our point, whether we play the big team or small team. We need to start getting our 3 points if we are going to be among those that compete with the Premier League trophy this season. So let's see what happened tonight. Like I said earlier, that match is going to be the later late in the night. Is going to be the last match of Premier League today, the match day Premier League. So we are hoping. It's not going to be easy. It's not going to be easy. No matter what is going on with Manchester United, it's going to be Kaka. Manchester United, still Manchester United, no matter how we see it. But for me, as a Chelsea fans, I will always support my team. We need the 3 points. We need to beat Manchester United. We need to start getting our point, securing our point, because remember, we are all involved in so many trophies, so many competitions this season. So every match is looking like final. So let's see what happened tonight between the both teams, between United and the Chelsea. And I wish Chelsea, I wish them good luck, and I hope they nail it today. I hope they smash it from Manchester United tonight. So let's wait and see what happened. Now, like I said earlier, Champions League game is end in the middle of week. We all know how the Champions League match ended between Bayern Munich and Chelsea. It didn't ended well. The match did not ended well. Then it's not what we expected, but that is football for you. can tell. But that is not the end of the world. It's not the end of the world. We still have a 7 game or 8 game to go. So we'll see how it goes. But I hope the team learn a lot from that Champions League between Bayern Munich and Chelsea. And also, if you watch the match, you will see the difference between the experience those in the Champions League for the meantime. Like most of players in the Chelsea, this is their first time to play in the Champions League. Most of them is the first time to play in the Champions League. But Chelsea didn't play badly. I know that we didn't play badly. We matched toe to toe with the Bayern Munich, but the experience, some of the experience is lack there. Some of the lapses is lack. Some mistake we make, not supposed to make the mistake. So, but this is game of football. Anything can happen. So tonight, Chelsea will be back in action against Manchester United. That match will be at Old Trafford. It's going to be a cracker because remember our match with Manchester United is not always going an easy match. It's always a tough one. It's always a battle. Tonight is another one. We'll see what happens. So let us keep our finger crossed and see how it goes. Before I end this brand new video, because like I said earlier, this video comes very late, but I have to do what I have to do. It's very late video, but that is why it's going to be a very short video. So tonight, my lineup between Manchester United and Chelsea. Well, in my own lineup, I will start from the goalkeeper. The Sanchez remain #1 goalkeeper at Chelsea at this moment, and also in the back four, that is where we have some lapses, but nevertheless, we still have some players to go through, So, like I say, in the middle of back, I don't think we have anybody to start today, but it's going to remain between Chalobah and the Tostin. We know that Botticelli is back in injury, but I don't expect him to start today. Maybe it will be at bench. Lavia is back also, but I think maybe they will be on the bench. So let's see how it goes. And the right side is remain Liz James. We will start today ahead of Gusto, and also on the left side we have to start no other person but Michael Colella. Then in the middle of the midfield remain Casado and the Enzo de Fernandez. Then ahead of them is going to be Palmer. In my own lineup, I think today Esteban Williams is going to start from the right side. Why? I think it's time to give Garnacho, start today against his former club at the left side. In the night, it's going to be Joe Pedro. So this is my lineup of today's match. So let's see how it goes before the match. We know what Enzo Maresca will give us as his own lineup. And my prediction is... My prediction is today's match between Manchester United and Chelsea. My own prediction is 2-1 in the favor of Chelsea. 2-1. So let me know your own prediction in the comment box down below. Tell me how do you see today's match between the Manchester United and Chelsea, and your prediction, whatever talk you have to talk concerning today's match. Please, I want to know in the comment box down below. And let's see, there might be live watch along between the both club, Manchester United and Chelsea. Let's see what happened. But if it's not going to be, then I will see you guys in the review after the match. I still remain your man, Austin. Thank you for watching. Bye.